Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a rig review on the equal 5-inch lace part. Here is the tag in Vallecina FF Cream. This one has the flat and lay hand tied lace parting. And here it is right here. Here's the inside. I have a big head, so this is big head friendly. I just recently got it. I believe it was from hairsister.com, and I've been using it both in the center part and also on the side. If you caught any of my Instagram, if you're on Instagram, you've definitely seen it a lot next to my blue bob for the spring. It does get tangled up at the ends, especially if you're out and about for maybe 6 to 8 hours. So you do have that issue. Other than that, everything else is fine. I had to eventually carry like a comb or a thing just to make sure it doesn't, especially because I was outside. Outdoors, if you're outdoors, you'll probably need to carry something just to make sure it stays out of your face with wind, because I was out and about, so a lot of the strands would get into the lashes and things of that nature. Let's see if I can get up. There we go. And here's the back. Okay. I really love the color. I love how it just gives out a nice pop to the face. It's nice, and it's nice and straight, and I love it. I really do love it. I had to stretch it out a little bit because my head is really big, and I think this was on sale for like $22, so it was a really good deal. And I got this from Hair Sister. And I just wanted to show you guys what I had bought for the spring, my spring unit. It's this and my beautiful blue bob that you guys have been seeing a lot of. So there you guys go. I hope you guys have a wonderful month of April, and I will talk to you guys very soon.